Morning, guys. Way too early to be videoing because we're a little groggy right now.
It's not even 7 o'clock yet. Welcome back, by the way.
Oh, anyway, so a little trick for you guys. I'm gonna flip the camera around. Now, if you got a nice fancy frame like that, all freshly powder coated, first thing you want to do is flip your lens off here, and then you can really see it. So when you go to install these, there's a bunch of BS on these Enduro models. So we're pulling all this stuff off. Got the water pump cover off. I'm actually gonna pull the valve cover off. And a little trick you can do, you can just double nut your exhaust studs. Just get them right out of the way because you do not want to scratch that powder coat. We are going to tape it up, get it all minted up, and get this motor installed. That surprised me. That's what happens when you do the most annoying task first thing in the morning. Usually it just goes a little easier for some reason. I'm gonna flip the camera around again, show you guys a couple more tips. So first thing you want to start with, get your bottom bolt in. We're just setting the pivot bolt in for now. We're actually gonna pull that back out when the swing arm goes in. So we're gonna go ahead and get the head stay, the front motor mount, obviously the bottom bolt in. We're not gonna completely torque it at this time. What we got here?
I have hopefully everything, except I know I'm missing something because we always have to walk back to the toolbox
Yes.
to do a rear end.
Yes.
We are missing a caliper that's coming in the mail today.
It's okay. Put that on after. So we got our sprocket guard right here. Got our billet brake caliper mount with the, of course, the removable guard on the bottom. Got all our bits and bobs.
All the bits and the bobs.
Little bits and bobs. So this is all OEM hardware for most of it. And whatever isn't, it's as high quality as possible, like these sprocket bolts, for example. Got all of our spacers, our front axle, got a rear axle here. So guys, as you just saw in the time lapse, got the swing arm installed. This thing went on beautiful. Got our front block on here. I already inserted the carrier. I got to put some grease on it. Everything looks good. Always checking to make sure the thickness of the powder coat isn't too thick right here, just so this fits on properly. And of course, got some hubs right here. But yeah, I got a mess of parts. Let's continue on. Let's get this thing together. Get it on the ground. You gonna bear hug this one?
I have been, yeah.
Give her a bear hug. Show everybody how to bear hug. You went for the strap.
Sometimes the bear hug works, sometimes you gotta bear hug it with a strap. Oh, some more spacing.
Got some bead locks right here onto the back tires. So this is kind of an OEM-ish looking tread pattern. I like that. Give you guys a little preview right here. These things have been holding up really good. And yeah, let's get these on the bike, get it on the ground. Yep, that is gonna look sick. Yep, I'm digging this theme. What is this, like the second or third bike we've done polished wheels on out of hundreds?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Polished, unpolished.
Looks sick though. All right guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna get the rest of this thing out together, of course, in the next video, and stay tuned.